Hi everybody, this is Meherna McEvely with Secret Ireland Tours. Well, as promised, I told you that I will show you how I pack a bag. I can get an awful lot into a case, a small enough case. It's a case that you could actually bring on the airplane with you. I'll show it to you now. It's empty at the moment. It's that size. It's not a very, very big case, but I'll show you how much I can get into it. I'm asking you to bring a case like this. I'm asking you not to have big, massive cases or a load of cases or two cases, because we are now, I have a 39-seater bus. I got that bus so that I'll have enough luggage space. I have a hoodie here. I'm going to show you how I pack it in the bag. That's one heavy top. I've got two of these heavy tops to keep me warm. And I have another long sleeved top to keep me warm. Okay, that's four tops. Now I'll show you how I have that in the bag. Okay. Now I'm going to put my jeans in. I have two pairs of jeans. I have a pair of ski pants, and I have my Halloween leggings. And of course, I'll be wearing a pants as well. I'd advise people not to bother with skirts or dresses or anything like that, because it will be windy, it will be rainy. The likelihood is it will be rainy, and it'll probably be on a little bit of the cold side. In Ireland, we don't have extremes of cold and we don't have extremes of heat, but we have windy weather and we have rainy weather. So I'm going to put my jeans into the case, and I'll show you then how I'm doing that. My leggings, my Halloween leggings. So now, here we go again. I have the jeans there. I have the ski pants there. And I have my Halloween leggings there. There's the tops. Okay, now what are we doing? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a sixth one. Remember, I'm asking you as well, you could bring a backpack with you and you can put a change of clothes in the backpack. I would advise this, a change of clothes in the backpack, your medication, if you need medication, in the backpack, and also any wires that you need and your adapter to recharge your phone in the backpack, just in case your luggage does not arrive with you in Dublin Airport. It has happened, and people have been stuck for a change of clothes. So I would put a change of clothes in the backpack and bring it with you on the airplane. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the t-shirts now. Now, I think, yes, I'm going to leave one out for the backpack, and I'm going to pack the rest. Let me see now. Yes. Now, my pajamas is going in, and my swimsuit is going in. Now, that is, what is it? Four pairs of pants. I have one on. I have 5 t-shirts in here, and I have 4 heavy tops in here. I'm going to have a fleece in the backpack, so that's 5 heavy tops. And I'm going to have a t-shirt in the backpack. So now you'll see there is still space in the middle. Okay, so you have plenty of space yet, and I still have in here that I can pack. Okay, so sorry for twisting you around. You're probably dizzy with all of this. Shoes. I'm going to bring sneakers with me. Now, what I do is, these are not the ones I'm bringing with me, but I am bringing, but just to show you, I put all my socks into the shoes. You could actually roll up your underwear as well. Probably not bras, but you could roll up your underwear and put them in the shoes. You could put those in your backpack, or you could just put them in here. Now I'll show you. It's up to you what you want to do. Now you could always put your laptop on top of that. You could put your laptop there if you wanted. Or you can take these out and you could fill that with more clothes, or you could fill it with your underwear and your makeup. But remember, you still have this space here. You could put your makeup and your underwear there as well. So you have plenty of place and you still have your backpack. So in the backpack, what will I say? In the backpack, I'm going to put these shoes. I'm going to put a t-shirt. I'm going to put underwear. And I have this fleece. I'll be bringing that as well. Now, that is going to be nice and warm. You do not need a hairdryer because all hotels have a hairdryer. You might need a washcloth. If you're bringing a swimsuit with you, we are staying in Roganstown, which has a pool, and Fitzpatrick's has a pool, and I think Kalishan has a pool, but we will be out investigating that night, so you won't have time to use that pool. But if you want to go swimming in the pools, you have to bring a swimming cap with you. But the backpack, you can bring your laptop in the backpack, bring a change of clothes, bring your medication, and bring your wires and your adapter for your phone. I would advise you, when you are going to any airport at all, wear your backpack to the front, because I've had a couple of clients that came with me in 2022 and they had a backpack on their backs and their passport, their money and other stuff was actually taken out of the backpack. And until they got into the taxi, they did not notice that somebody had taken it. But if it's in front of you, this is the way I always walk around airports. I put this in front of me and nobody can come near it without you seeing it. If you have a jacket or a coat that has an inside pocket and you can zip it up, that's where I would put my passport. And if you have a thin wallet where you can hold your money, I would put it in there. Otherwise, if you want to put it in your backpack, make sure that you can see your backpack at all stages. It's just advice. You don't have to take it if you don't want, but that's what I do. So I would have my change of clothes. There's plenty of space in there as well. Now, if some people said that they want to bring a big enough case so that they can buy stuff and bring it back. As you can see, there's plenty of space in that case. So you would be able to bring stuff back if you pack it well. And as I said, there's still enough place on the lid of that case to bring your underwear and some of your makeup and your toiletries. That's where you'd put that. So I think that's probably it. Oh, yes, one more thing. This is the coat that I'm bringing with me. It is lined, nice and warm. It has a pocket in the inside. and it is waterproof and windproof. That's the coat I'm bringing with me. If you have a coat like that, it'll be great. I'm bringing a hat with me. And some people like to have a scarf and some gloves. I'd advise you to bring, if you want to do that, I'd advise you to bring that as well. Otherwise, guys, I think that's it. I have booked a 39-seater coach, and I booked it from a 27-seater so that we'll have plenty of luggage space. But I do ask you to try and pack your bag a smaller, not a big, massive bag, and not 2 cases. Please don't bring 2 cases with you, because it just means that you know, my bus driver, I don't want him stressed over trying to put the cases in the luggage compartment of the bus. We should have plenty of space, but still, I want to be sure that we have. And other than that, I think I can sign off now. If anyone has any questions, just contact me. And again, these are only suggestions. I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. I'm showing you how some people have found it very helpful to pack their case like that. And all the hotels would have irons that you could get if you wanted to iron stuff. So if you would, I see, there's one more thing. I think a washcloth. Hotels in Ireland do not have washcloths. So if you wanted to bring your own washcloth, I'd advise you to do that. You could bring this case on the plane with you. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to sign off, and I'm going to get this to you as soon as I can. Bye.